Hello, this is Luoyang Yujie Industry. Beside me is our 4035 CNC Gantry milling machine. And this machine, the X-axis adopted for linear guide rail. The linear guide rail, we adopted the Taiwan brand Henan. And the both screw diameter is 80 millimeter. And this is the motor. The motor brand is Henan. This machine, the CNC controller, also adopted the Henan. This is the work table. The work table width is 2,600 millimeter. The load of this work table is 30 tons. This is the column. The distance between two columns is 3,500 millimeter. The height between the beam to the work table is 1,600 millimeter. The Y-axis adopted the 3-linear guide rail. The Y-axis strip is 3,800 millimeter. This is the Z-axis. The Z-axis adopted the 4-linear guide rail. And we can see the structure of the Z-axis is the nitrogen balance cylinder. And the Z-axis strip is 1,200 millimeter. This machine will adopted the 3-linear guide rail as per customer's requirement. Also, we can do the 2-linear guide rail and 1 box way CNC gantry milling machine as per customer's requirement. So any inquiry, please contact with us freely. Thanks.